Okay, guys, good morning. I noticed that some of you are not doing this XEmpire, so that's why I'm doing this recording so that you to encourage you to do it because according to reports, Elon Musk is backing it up. So in fact, you can see that they are using his face and all of that. So please, and they only have a limited time for mining. So after this time, you're not able to get any token again. It's very simple. It's similar to Hamster kind of, but it's not exactly like Hamster, but the same kind of setup. Not the same setup, kind of way of doing it. So where yeah, instead of calling it upgrade cards, you now call it improve skill. So the whole scenario is you are a CEO, you are improving your skill. You have a startup, you're improving your skill, improving your your team members, you're hiring people and all of that. So the major thing here they do is to improve your levels. So this one here I'm at level 8. You can see this is my level. So for me to get to the next level I need 8.5 million experiences. I will show you how to get that one. It's very simple. So the total experience is 11.4. So I've been playing it for the past 17 days. I don't really do it much. So now I click on city. So it's telling me what to do. I've not really done this one yet, so I just focus on other things. Then investments. Since you are a CEO, you can make investments. So the investments, when you click, there is low risk, there is medium risk, and there is high risk. When you click on any one, it will tell you the risk and the past yield. It will tell you the risk, the past yield, and possibly what you can get from it. Okay, so let me not go there yet. So that's for city. Okay, so you can get some tokens there. So if you click on that investment and the investment works for you, you get some token. But if you don't, if it does not work for you, you will lose the money which you use to get the investment. Okay, makes sense, right? So friends, that one is obvious. Friends, it invites people. Quest, that one is where you do those normal tasks. So every day they bring out a redo and something they call a rebus. They usually bring it around 8 a.m. So by 8 a.m. now, the yesterday's one will expire. So I've already done today's one. Like I've not done the redo yet. So let me quickly do this video and go. So look at the video here. So a decentralized group here all have a vote, no central control. Decisions are remote. What am I? So that's the video. So I will go search for the answer. The one I thought of did not work. So just do all these tasks. Some tasks are one-time tasks, but some tasks are daily tasks, like this top one. Okay. Then always try to claim your daily reward. So when you come to this point, you see where they tell you, good morning, lady. You see where they tell you daily reward and all of that. So just try to quickly do it. Then this place where you see mining, this is where you tap if you want to tap. If you want to tap. And as you increase your levels, your coins per tap also increases. But there's also a way to manually increase it too. This is where you go to improve. So if you go to improve, you see mining at the back, at the last place. So you can increase your energy. You can increase. Now there are two ways to get this. You can just click on it. It will show you. But this is a slow way. It's very slow. So instead, just click on the coin itself. You can see that one is faster. You can do multiple times with this method. Click on the coin itself, it's faster. Instead of clicking on the thing, it will show you a preview before you click on it again. That will waste your time. So just click on the coin. So if I need to increase my energy, my profit per tap, now I've increased it to a certain point. It says I have to get to level 10 before I can increase it again. So always check the banner, the instruction in the banner. That's why I say it looks like hamster. It will tell you what you need to do to get the new coin. So energy recovery, bonus chance, bonus size, energy extra. So if I click on it, I get extra energy. And also just like a hamster, it mines for you when you are not around. And I think I'm not so sure. It does this unlimitedly, unlike hamster that is 3 hours. But I've not confirmed this. So that's that. So improve. So what you do every time is to you can improve your personal skills, your office equipment, or your team members. So if I click on all personal, it's on personal now. So now I've already increased sports to a certain level. My sports skills, my sports skills to a certain level. So now it's telling me I'm at level 9 in sports. It's telling me I need two more friends before I can improve this more. Then nutrition, the same thing. Discipline, I'll go and refer somebody now. For empathy, say I need one more friend. Critical thinking, my coin is less now. So when it gets to 300, I can get that one. For ethics, I can do ethics right now. So if I do ethics now, say now, I can get 6. This is what it gives me every time. So when I'm away, it adds this to my level. So when I improve anything, if you check the level increases. So you see it has gone to 18%. So when it gets to 100%, then it goes to the next level. So and when it goes to the next level, it opens up more skills you can work on. So that means it opens up more opportunities to increase your levels. So that's what it does. So always listen to instructions. So if I go to office now, see, renovation, I can increase renovation because I have enough coin. Let's see the one where I have enough coin, but it's telling me, hey, look at this one, projectors. It's telling me I have enough coin of 50k, but look at the instruction. It says I need to improve office equipment to level 10. So I have to go to office equipment, look for it. Office equipment. Where is it? I look at office equipment. So I have to increase it to level 10. Now currently look at this left hand side, you can see it's just writing 3. So I need to get it to 10. So once I get it to 10, this one projectors will unlock. Hope you understand. So the same thing with team. So you just follow the instruction. If I click on 20k, that one gets improved. So let's see when the one that is telling me improve one first. This one I need to get to level 10. Financial specialist. I need to get to level 10 before it will allow me to work on this. Hope you understand. So you go to improve your personal skills, office team, or your mining capacity, and as you do this, your level increases. So when your level increases, your profit per tap increases, your number of skills you can improve on increases. CT, that's why you see things like investments, hyperzone, battles. Yes, there are battles where you like a gamble. You gamble with somebody. I think it's computer generated. You gamble with somebody, then if you win, you get more coins. If you lose your coin. So that's CT. Then mining, that's where you tap if you want to tap. Friends, that's where you invite people. Then quest, that's where you do your daily task or your one-time task. Okay, so I hope this helps. Okay, I've not joined this channel. Let me join that channel. So join. So let me collect that one this morning. So I've joined. Check action. So I claim it. So now I can go improve. So let me go improve that city. That office equipment. So office told me to improve office equipment to level 10. Here is it. Office equipment to level 10. So I'll just do it. So instead of clicking, it's too slow. Okay, so everybody wants me to wait for 37 seconds before I can do it again. So it will take a while. So I don't have that time. Okay, so this video will not be too long. Alright. So HR. Okay, so I can just keep on improving with this method. I don't have to wait. So I can improve that. I can improve team. I can improve as much as I want. And as I'm improving, check my level. You see the percentage is increasing. As it gets to, let me see if I can get to X. I will not be able to get to, because as the level increases, the more coins you need to go to the next level. Moving from level 1 to level 2 was so simple. So I need more coins. Okay, so I'm at 25% now. Okay, so my money is exhausted. So that's how I thought. So once in a while you come back to it. I hope this clarifies this one. It's very simple. Remember, you have just 13 days now. Let me see where I can find that. Okay, it usually shows when you open it up for the first time. You take advantage of it. Try and take advantage of it. Okay, and remember, keep on doing your hamster is gonna work. But the other thing is that we don't know how much it's gonna give, but it will give, because Binance, I think Big Jet and Bybit too, they already announced its listing on their exchanges. So please take that one seriously. So at least hamster don't suffer everybody. we cannot just go to waste. Nah, well done everybody. More wins.